Well, that's close enough for government work. Yeah. Build it, and they will grow. Welcome to Burbsteading with Dew. Close enough for government work. I'm gonna try and change up the video a little bit. A little more conversation, a lot less fast forwarding kind of thing.
I like the whole fast forwarding thing, but I don't know if everybody does, so we're gonna change it up a little bit.
Yesterday, due to producer malfunction, I failed to get video. I left my memory card in the computer, and I am 40 miles away from home, so I didn't get what I did yesterday on video. But if y'all follow me on Facebook or Google, you did get to see pictures of the back wall going up. Wasn't the easiest thing in the world to do, but I got it up. Today I'm working on, I'm sorry, that's a side wall actually. This is the back wall over here. This is the wall that I'm going to try and build and erect today. Hopefully, if things go well, I'll get this done tonight. So, that is what's going on today. Hopefully we'll get some measurements here back behind the rocket stove and figure out what actually is going to go on with that as well. 15 and a half. So 15 and a half would be 7 3/4. So at 7 3/4, dead center, that gives me 3 inches around. Eight and a half inches minus 3 inches would be 5.5 inches. Fire. So I got 5.5 inches between the stove cover, the reburn chamber, and the wall. This wall. So if I use 5.5 inches, that's plenty of room. Alright, got that leveled out. Finally. Thought I had it level before. Of course, after I build this, watch it settle some more. But it's packed. It's covered and packed. And hopefully I'll be able to build up around it with some sod, some fill dirt and some sod to help shed water. So it could also help with that with the roof too. So back to building. I don't know what to do. Again, I'm working with scrap. I'm working with found wood, borrowed wood. So I have to maximize what I'm doing. And my original dimensions were 16 by 8. The length is 14.8. Baseboard, top sill board is 14.8. Sideboards, I have 4 8-foot boards, which I wanted to use this way, that way, that way, that way, on the corners. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 7-foot boards. My length measurement from center to center is 7.5. Even if I move the board this way. Creative carpentry. There's no wonder this is taking so long. Well, you know what? I'm gonna put it up. I can't do that. I can't. I'm crooked. There. Now I'm not so crooked. It's not. I'm not crooked. The camera's crooked. You know, I thought I had all this figured out, and all the lumber and the math and everything, and all worked out. And 16 by 8 is just the way it worked. I think I was relying too much on the pallet wood. Oh, did you see the light bulb? Where'd that light bulb go? I just had it there a minute ago. We're gonna try some creative carpentry. Last when we left our superhero, he was wondering how the lumber was going to work. Well, I have a creative solution. Like I said, creative carpentry. I need 88 inches of wood here. My solution, 88 inches. Like a glove. My solution, 88 inches. I think that's called batten board. I don't know. Anyways, this is the effect I was going for the lower half. Whatever the pallet wood size was, that's where I was going. Instead of this, I will have, it might not work on some of the pallets. But you get the idea. And close it this way. It'll be a little extra work, but this is going to work because I have the material. All right. More later. I like this idea better anyways. 44 inches. off the sand. I have to do some more soil fill, but you know what, I don't care. I like this better anyway. And I can use the other pallet wood to back and board it, so to speak. And this joint, I cut this one short, and this one went inside on the inside and the inside. That one went inside on the inside. So it looks actually perfect. And using sinker nails instead of screws. And it's actually so strong that it's holding this
Good enough
end
for
up.
government work.
No, close enough for government work. That's what it is. That's gonna be a sound bite. Close enough for government work. Close enough for government work. Good stuff. Love bomb. I can't decide whether I want to do the whole wall together or
In pieces.
what I'm thinking is I can bring the other two over here, you know, one at a time, which is more manageable, and then put them together, and then just raise it up like a wall. A wall. Another pallet in the wall. Hey, GreenHouse, leave those boards alone. I like it. And you know, I guess that's really all that matters. Build it, and they will grow. Well, there you have it. Stay tuned. Well, I honestly did not believe that I was going to have to be as creative in creative carpentry as I am being. Each thing I'm doing, I have to try and readjust and make everything square again. It might be creative, but she's level. Where are you looking at? Oh, that is it. Not Home Depot. Shucks. Oh, Harbor Freight. If you ever get a chance, these they were I think they were like $1 a piece or a free coupon or absolutely. If you guys are at Harbor Freight and you see these, walk away. Build it, and they will grow.